Okay, in this video we will be discussing about photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means the process. So it is a process, is a process by which green plants, so green plants, green plants contain what? Chlorophyll. Green plants containing chlorophyll make their own food. So green plants containing what? Chlorophyll, which is a green color pigment, make their own food. For making own food they use what? By using carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. By using these materials, plants prepare their own food, which is called photosynthesis process. So they make their food in the form of glucose. This glucose further converted into starch. So glucose converted into starch, which is a storable form. In the form of starch, the food is stored. So what are the main things that plants require to perform photosynthesis to prepare their food in the form of glucose, and other proteins and other things also will form? The main things are chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and sunlight. So this is a photosynthesis process. Here it is a very important process which serves food for entire living world. Now here this is a complex process. Photosynthesis is a very complex process. What is happening here? The light energy, that is sunlight energy, is converted into which energy? Into chemical energy. So this is very important point here. So the light energy is converted into chemical energy in the presence of chlorophyll by using water and carbon dioxide. And one more thing we have to remember here, in this photosynthesis process, the simple inorganic molecules are converted into complex organic materials or molecules. See, simple inorganic molecules are converted into complex organic molecules. See, when I write an equation, and you can come to know. See, first one, the carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Plants make their food in the form of glucose. Here glucose is a product. Along with the glucose, water and oxygen are released. So complete balanced equation I will write in the next step. See here, the light energy is used to convert into the chemical energy. That energy is found in the form of glucose. When the glucose broken down in the presence of oxygen, that energy will be released. That we will learn in a respiration lesson. See here, so light energy is converted into chemical energy and simple inorganic molecules. What are the simple inorganic molecules? So these two are inorganic molecules. They are very simple inorganic molecules. These inorganic molecules are converted into complex organic molecule. What is the complex organic here? The glucose. Glucose is a complex organic molecule. Okay, so this is a photosynthesis process. For this photosynthesis process, many scientists proposed many equations. Out of all, they tried to formulate equation for photosynthesis over 200 years. Finally, C.B. Van Neel, C.B. Van Neel in 1931, he formulated one equation for photosynthesis which was readily accepted by many scientists. Now, he proposed CO2 plus 2H2O, water, two molecules of water and one molecule of carbon dioxide, and we know sunlight and chlorophyll. Now, what is going to form here? The carbohydrate molecule. Glucose is a carbohydrate molecule. Glucose, fructose, cellulose, these all are carbohydrate, not a proteins. Now, so carbohydrate molecule what? CH2O. This is a carbohydrate molecule. One molecule of carbon, one atom of carbon, two hydrogen and one oxygen. 1:2:1 ratio of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, plus H2O plus wood. So he said, Van Neel said that for every one molecule of carbohydrate is formed. This is what? Carbohydrate. So for one molecule of carbohydrate, how many molecules? One. One molecule of carbohydrate is formed. One molecule of water and one molecule of oxygen also formed. Now, when you write the complete equation, balanced equation for photosynthesis, it will be 6CO2. Is it visible? 6CO2. Okay, let me write with that blue one. So complete balanced equation, 6CO2 plus 12H2O plus not now, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, forms glucose, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. See here, how many molecules of carbohydrates formed here? One molecule. When you take 6 molecules of carbohydrate, it forms a glucose. See, 1 carbon, here 6 carbons. 2 hydrogen, here 12. 1 oxygen, here 6. This is a organic molecule. This is what? Glucose. This is a stable form. So, if 6 carbohydrate molecules, that means one glucose has formed 6 water molecules and 6 oxygen molecules. If one carbohydrate formed 1 water and 1 oxygen. If 6 carbohydrate molecules, that is forms one complex glucose molecule, then 6 water molecules and 6 oxygen molecules also released. This is a balanced equation for photosynthesis, and if you take that count, how many carbons are there here? 6. Here 6. Then oxygen, 6 into 2. How many? 12. 12 plus here 12. 24 oxygen molecules are there. Here see 6. Here 6 and 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 12, 24. Now coming to that hydrogen, 12 into 2, 24. Here 12 and 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 12, 24. This is a balanced equation for photosynthesis. Now coming to that, when you take hydrogen sulfide in the presence of, instead of oxygen, see 6CO2 plus 12H2S. We are not taking water. Instead of water, we are taking what? H2S, hydrogen sulfide. What is going to be released here? Then go for an equation. Now sunlight, chlorophyll. Here same, the glucose is going to form 6C6H12 and O6 plus 6H2O plus 12S. See here, oxygen is not released. When the oxygen is not released, when there is no usage of water for photosynthesis. So if we use H2S instead of water, hydrogen sulfide instead of water, so we don't get oxygen. So we get sulfur. Then later Robert Hill, he showed that oxygen is released from water. That means when water is used for photosynthesis, then oxygen will be released out. If we use hydrogen sulfide instead of water, then there is no release of oxygen. We will see only sulfur. Then later Robert Hill said that oxygen released in a photosynthesis is coming from water only. That means water must be present to release the oxygen. So this we can see in a purple sulfur bacteria. This photosynthesis we can see in purple sulfur bacteria. Okay, this is a photosynthesis process, very important process. Thank you. For notes, you just go through the description. Thank you.